In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from GCash to EastWest. By the end, you'll feel confident moving funds using just your phone, with clear expectations of what you'll see on screen and a few helpful tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Before we begin, make sure your GCash app is updated and you have a stable internet connection. It also helps to quickly check that your GCash balance can cover the amount you plan to move, plus any applicable fees you might see during the process. Keep your app unlocked and ready. Start by opening GCash. Give it a moment to load your dashboard. If you're asked for your PIN or biometric verification, complete that as usual so you land on the home screen. Next, tap Cash In. Don't be thrown off by the wording here. Depending on your app version or interface, partner banks may appear under Cash In as a way to move funds between GCash and banks. You're in the right place. Once you're in the Cash In section, look for the search bar at the top. Tap the search bar and enter EastWest. You should see EastWest appear in the results. When it does, tap it. This takes you to the bank's dedicated page within GCash. From here, simply follow the steps on your screen. The app will guide you through what's needed in a clear, secure flow. Typically, you'll see prompts that help you confirm the destination and the amount, along with any reminders about fees, limits, or processing times. You may be asked to review the details carefully before continuing. Take a moment to read everything on each screen. If anything doesn't look right, you can always go back and make adjustments before proceeding. You might also encounter a verification step, such as a one-time code sent to your registered device. Enter it only inside the app and only when prompted. Avoid sharing any codes or personal information outside GCash to keep your account protected. If the app displays a confirmation page at the end, wait for it to finish processing and look for a success message. You can keep a screenshot of the confirmation for your personal records if you prefer. If the app indicates a delay or maintenance, simply follow the on-screen guidance and try again later when prompted. And that's it. Open GCash, tap Cash In, search for EastWest, select it, and then follow the steps on your screen. With a careful eye on the prompts and a moment to verify the details, you'll complete your transfer with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made your GCash to EastWest transfer simple and stress-free.